So today I have no idea what's happening. All I know is I'm paying this guy $60 to take a private boat to Twin Lagoons and a couple other places here in the Philippines. But first we're headed to the market and we're gonna see where the day takes us. How much is it? $4.50 for
For the big one, sir, 500 per kilo. For the small one, 480.
Oh, we'll go with the small ones.
Okay.
Please, yes.
How many, sir?
I think I'll just take 6.
6.
Yeah. So we're in the market right now, getting some seafood before we actually go to the Twin Lagoons. And right now, trying to decide what kind of fish I should get.
How many pieces?
I just need 1.
1?
Yeah, and then I got the shrimp. Yeah, we'll go with the big one. Yeah.
200.
Thank you. There's just so much going on in this market. I'm trying to get some veggies right now and some fruit. You can literally get fish.
How many? 1?
Just 1. Yeah. I'm not that difficult. Simple. Super excited for this trip actually now. Got shrimp, got some fish here at this market, which you wouldn't know it's a market if you didn't have someone to let you know. We're going to 4 different destinations: Twin Lagoons, this lake, a beach. So we're gonna have lunch on a beach. And honestly, this place is just breathtaking. I hired a private boat tour. Who's the captain?
It's me.
Oh. Here we have the captain. What's your name?
Saldi. Boat crew. Joel.
Joel?
Yes.
All right, I'm Davion. Nice meeting y'all. Nice meeting y'all. All right, so we have 167 steps, right?
Yes.
Until we get to the lake. But honestly, this literally feels like a jungle. There's just so many green trees here. And this is the first stop. Let's just hope when we get up there, there's not that many people there right now. So, once you finish hiking up and you're out of breath, like me, you gotta go down to the lake, but be careful because it's slippery, all right? Guys, just a few words. Wow, there's literally no one else here right now but me and my captain and a few people that are coming behind. But leave early, go to the pier, find a captain that can bring you here before 8:30. Like, just super beautiful lake. No one here. I mean, it's raining, but that's what you get when you're a traveler. You just gotta embrace it. Wow, if you're wondering, is the water warm? The water's super warm. Don't believe the Filipinos when they say it's not warm. Okay, literally, you guys have to come to the Philippines. And like I said, just look at how beautiful and blue the water is. It might be raining here, but you really do have to embrace this as a traveler.
Like, we bought a super cheap one because, like, this is the only, like, we have it in 360.
So if you are scared of doing solo travel, I'm telling you right now, just get out there and just travel, because you're gonna meet random people like this. I don't even know where y'all from.
Korea.
Oh, you're from South Korea?
Yeah. But we are living in Canada.
Okay. And then you're gonna meet people like this from London. Oh, here comes the other guy swimming.
How you doing?
But really, solo travel is just so amazing. You're with your own thoughts, and then if you do want to be social, you can literally just whack some people. I'm just kidding. Don't be that rude. As you guys can see, the tour groups are coming now, so make sure you get here before 8:30, or else you're going to be stuck with all these boats, all these people. Next, though, we're headed to a beach, and we're going to have some lunch. Some of the stuff that we got from the market, some shrimp, some fish, some veggies. Let's see if the captain knows what he's doing. What kind of... Come to the Philippines where you can cook your own fish on a boat and have all these islands. Like, just look at that. All the seasonings in there. I'm just kidding. I didn't cook this. The captain cooked it. He cooked it. Great guy.
How about this? You want more?
I don't know what it is.
This one in hot water.
So literally we're about to go snorkeling and there's no one here right now. I'm telling you guys, beat the crowd, hire private boat captains.
You want jump? Jump! Get me your GoPro.
In life, make sure you do something and you don't just question it. So they were like, hey, we're gonna go snorkeling. Jump in the water. Jumped in the water, and then I see the boat leaving and I'm like, is this where I die? Is this where it all ends? In the Philippines in really blue, salty water? No, because then he said we're gonna swim to the beach and have some lunch. Oh, this smells so good. That's a lot of rice. Goodness gracious. We have some garlic shrimp, some veggies. You gotta have your veggies, very important. A lot of rice, and then that fish that was cooked literally on the water, on the boat. Literally the OG, the captain, the chef. I really don't know how I'm going to finish all of this. Okay, let's see how good his food is. Rice, good. Veggies, fire. This is actually really good. And the garlic shrimp. All right, I gotta finish this. So far, this trip has been amazing. The two different captains have just been literally working so much, preparing this dinner, getting me here at this beach. And there's literally no one else here at this beach but my fish, rice, veggies, and then garlic shrimp. After having a great lunch, we're here at the Twin Lagoons. This is our last stop of the day, and it is honestly so peaceful and beautiful. Like, come to the Philippines. It really is worth the price. You okay being on camera?
Hello, welcome Twin Lagoon. We have more beer here, more fun, more beer, more chips, okay? More drinks.
When you're here in the Twin Lagoons, look for this man.
My name, Pio.
Pio?
To serve you a very cold beer, a 9 to 10 degrees Celsius cold, 70 pesos only, okay?
Okay. Thank
Two
you.
Beers, 140. Thank you.
So when you come here with a boat, they're gonna dock, and then you have to swim from there through here. Just look at that blue water. Oh God, this is crazy. Like, this is literally my view right here. It's wild. So when you come in here to this, when you get to this lagoon, it's honestly breathtaking. It just looks like straight out of a movie scene. I don't know what movie was filmed here or what movies, but I know that there were some movies filmed here.
The Twin Lagoon is we have some hot and cold water here because the brackish water and fresh water is mixing already.
Whenever I got here to the Philippines, I was super scared. Surprisingly, I've solo traveled before to Turkey, to Belgium. Like, this is not my first rodeo. But coming to the Philippines, I've heard that, you know, it's more of like hidden gems, off the beaten path. It's really that place for a true traveler. And when I say true traveler, someone that's not afraid of just booking a flight, having a place to stay, and then just making sure that they can eat. That's those three things. Literally, that's all you need when you're traveling in the world. And once you can just go, it's amazing. Today I woke up and was like, I'm gonna go to a couple of beaches. I'm gonna go to the Twin Lagoons. Didn't know how I was gonna get there, but met some captains, went to the market, got some shrimp, got some seafood, and they cooked on this boat. But the Twin Lagoons, amazing. The Philippines so far, day 2, and it really does like have my heart. Olin's Islands, Bali, and now the Philippines. Start traveling, leave your place, and just get up and just go somewhere and have fun, be different. So we just finished the boat trip here in Coron, Philippines. Honestly, so amazing. Both of the captains were just outstanding. The service, the hospitality, the food was amazing. Cooking on a boat, I didn't know that was gonna happen. Going to the market and literally just, you can't teach personality. You just gotta have that great personality, being a great human being. And you know what? Like literally, amazing chef. Like,
Hello, good noon.
you can't, wow. And then literally just the captain that just chills and somehow makes the boat go where it's supposed to go. I don't know, you can't make this up.